Breaking into the job market can feel daunting. But with the right strategy, no experience becomes just a temporary hurdle. This guide will transform your challenges into opportunities with proven techniques for new graduates and career changers. Entry-level jobs require some experience. Employers value potential over perfect credentials. Recruitment now happens through digital channels. Professional confidence, your primary career asset. Potential over history. What you can do, not what you've done. Transferable skills. Experience comes in many forms. Soft skills. Communication abilities. Teamwork capabilities. Problem-solving mindset. Time management. Technical skills. Digital literacy. Software proficiency. Data analysis. Online research. Academic skills. Critical thinking. Project planning. Information synthesis. Presentation abilities. Your academic achievements and educational experiences serve as powerful building blocks for your early career. Academic achievements. Highlight GPA, honors, and awards to demonstrate your scholastic excellence and commitment to learning. Coursework projects. Showcase relevant assignments and research that demonstrate practical application of your knowledge and skills. Group projects. Emphasize leadership and collaboration experiences that prove your ability to work effectively with others. Certifications. Include additional educational credentials that validate specialized skills and ongoing professional development. Create a professional online presence. Develop a compelling LinkedIn profile that highlights your potential. Use a professional photo and complete all sections. Craft your personal narrative. Develop a story around your journey and aspirations. Focus on your unique perspective and what drives you. Maintain consistency across platforms. Ensure your personal brand message is uniform. Clean up unprofessional content from social media. Functional format. Organize by skills rather than chronological work history. Achievement focus. Use action verbs and quantifiable results when possible. Keywords. Incorporate industry-specific terms that match job descriptions. Internships provide real-world experience in your field, building relevant skills and creating powerful industry connections. Even short-term opportunities can significantly boost your resume and job prospects. Full-time offers. 70% of internships lead to full-time employment opportunities, making them the most direct path to securing your first role. Network expansion. 15% of internship value comes from expanding your professional network, giving you contacts that can open doors throughout your career. Industry experience. 10% of internship benefits include gaining practical industry experience and insights that classroom learning simply cannot provide. Additional benefits. 5% includes other valuable outcomes like mentorship, confidence building, and clarifying your career direction before full commitment. Professional experience. Non-profit work develops real workplace skills. It demonstrates commitment and work ethic to potential employers. Many organizations need help with marketing, administration, or event planning. Skill development. Community service builds leadership capabilities. It offers opportunities to practice project management and teamwork. You can gain experience with budgeting, planning, and execution. Networking benefits. Volunteer settings connect you with professionals. Many community leaders can become mentors or references. These connections often lead to job opportunities or recommendations. Find platforms. Join freelance websites like Upwork or Fiverr. Start small. Accept modest projects to build your portfolio. Deliver quality. Earn positive reviews and client testimonials. Scale up. Gradually take on larger, more complex projects. Professional events. Attend industry meetups and conferences. Informational interviews. Request brief meetings with industry professionals. Alumni connections. Leverage your school's alumni network. Online networking. Engage with relevant groups on professional platforms. Online learning platforms offer affordable skill development. Free and low-cost courses can fill experience gaps on your resume. Look for industry-recognized certifications to boost your credentials. Research the company. Show knowledge of their work and values. Tell your story. Connect your background to their needs. Show enthusiasm. Express genuine interest in the role. Company research. Study mission, culture, and recent news. STAR method. Structure responses with situation, task, action, result. Practice questions. Rehearse answers to common interview scenarios. Strengths focus. Frame limited experience as eagerness to learn. Research market rates. Use Glassdoor, PayScale, and industry reports. Total compensation. Consider benefits, growth, and learning opportunities. Timing. Wait for offer before discussing salary. Approach. Be confident, but realistic about expectations. Range strategy. Provide a modest range rather than specific number. Apprenticeships. Learn while earning in structured programs. Gain hands-on experience in skilled trades and technical fields. Startups. Smaller companies often value potential over experience. They provide opportunities to wear multiple hats and grow quickly. Government programs. Public sector entry-level positions often have clear advancement paths. Many provide structured training for new employees. AI-powered job platforms. Use smart job boards like Indeed, LinkedIn, and ZipRecruiter that match your profile to opportunities. Application tracking systems. Optimize resumes with relevant keywords. Use simple formatting that ATS software can easily read. Mobile applications. Install job search apps for notifications. Apply quickly when new positions match your criteria. Email alerts. Set up customized job alerts. Receive daily or weekly notifications about relevant openings. Recognize imposter syndrome. Understand that self-doubt is common. Continuous learning. Develop expertise through consistent study. Track achievements. Document small wins and progress. Seek mentorship. Learn from experienced professionals. 0 to 6 months. Secure initial position. Focus on learning organization and role basics. 6 to 18 months. Build technical skills. Seek additional responsibilities and projects. 2 to 3 years. Develop specialization. Connect with industry professionals beyond company. 3 to 5 years. Advance to mid-level role. Consider management or deeper expertise path. Every expert was once a beginner. Your persistence and resilience will define your success. Embrace each opportunity for growth. Learn from setbacks and celebrate small victories. Remember that building a career is a marathon, not a sprint.